Apá. Oh. Kí ló rò? Àṣà tó bà lérin ò lérí gbé. Kò sọ́lọ́ṣà tó lè kojú ní olúwa mi.
Ẹ̀yin obìnrin tí ẹni, a ò ní mú yín lágídí. Ṣùgbọ́n, ẹ̀yin náà tí wà ọmọlúwàbí yín ṣe. Gbogbo owó, aṣọ, iyùn àti ohun mèremère tó wà lọ́wọ́ àti ẹrù yín. Ẹ mọ̀ kó dà síwájú mi kí ní burúkú tẹ̀ ń wò yìí.
Lóòótọ́.
Ọ̀yin.
Kò burú. Bóyá kẹ́ ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí ọ̀jà. Ìwọ, ẹrú mi lè kàn sí lónìí. Ojúmọ́lá. Mú ọ̀daràn yìí.
Wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ gòkèrè mẹ́rọ̀ gòkèrè mẹ́rọ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́dọ̀ kan fẹ́ràn tààràrà tààràrà.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ẹ wà ókè o. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ já para ni?
Ṣé normal?
Kí ló wù báyìí?
Ṣé ẹ gbà by that? Kí ni máa yín sọ?
Ó lè má bínú.
Ẹ start kíní kẹjá lọ jàre.
Rádaràda. Bá ṣe rí nǹkan tí mo ń bá mi fà.
Ẹ ṣe obìnrin. Ọjọ́ yín lẹ́nu.
Ẹ dẹ̀ start mọ́tò yìí.
Ẹ ní sùúrù wa.
Ẹ wo mi ò ní time ẹ start car.
Wọ́n ní sùúrù. Ẹ start kíní yín jàre.
Ẹ má jàgé mọ́ mi o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ start kíní jàre
Ṣé
kẹjá.
tí wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ṣẹ́ tí wọ́n lọ́kọ́ ṣe fọ́ pé bẹ̀lẹ́ yìí náà?
Ṣé wà
Hey.
Wọ́n ṣe fọ́ pé pẹ̀lú mọ́tò mi ni yóò start mi.
Ẹ start ń ká ìmẹ̀.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ẹ bá mi fẹnu fa epo.
Máa ṣe kí ni?
Ẹ̀fù yẹn mò ń gbọ́ yìí, Honda. Kàsálì díẹ̀díẹ̀. Èwo ni díẹ̀díẹ̀? Dikin. Ẹ báàdì. Kódà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí gan-an, ìmẹ́ tó báàdì ní ẹ̀yà àtìmọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ kan ọmọ ọlọ́mọ pápápá títí tó fi kú. Láì ṣe pé wọ́n fọmọ ọlọ́mọ ní death sentence. Èwo ni
tó ṣàwèrè ni.
ká mọ̀ parọ́ ká mọ̀ jalè. Akànnìpa nìyẹn. Nickname gẹ́gẹ́ mọ̀ jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni. Pẹ̀lú tí bó ṣe rí bí handcuff yẹn, ẹ báàdì. Kàsálì pọ̀ ní wàhálà mú àpẹẹrẹ yín. Níbo ló wà? Kí wà lókè? Ẹ já lọ gbé ní òfẹ́ wo kú. Ẹ já lọ gbókùn jọ.
Òkúta ni.
Tó bá.
Ní ìrántí tilẹ̀kùn lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ̀ mú lọ tí tilẹ̀kùn. Ẹgbẹ́ yín náà sọ fún wọn.
Yes.
Although they gave us.
Are you serious?
Yes, they gave us a contract. You know what?
Yeah.
Me, I actually believe the government will buy my idea. So as I'm speaking to you right now, our company is going to be responsible for the prevention is better than cure scheme.
Oh my God!
Not just in Nigeria, throughout the ECOWAS countries.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Now, the sweetest part of this is the Nigerian government is spearheading financing of the entire scheme.
Jeez.
Yeah, and, you know, since our president is also the president of
ECOWAS, of course.
Now, so what do you expect? Maybe we're talking about a lot of money. We're going to be super rich. Oh. Now, what the device means as which we're going to do this.
Okay.
Please. And it is that I'm a employer with you.
Okay.
See, only like minds.
Okay.
About training.
Okay.
So once we train them, we're going to be sending each and every one of them to these ECOWAS countries. They'll go to different schools. I'm teach our teachers at our students. So
this is a lot. This is good news.
So I'm not just an ordinary pharmacist.
Oh my God.
I'm an established, recognized,
international.
Babe, this is super good news.
This is good news.
Mommy. Daddy.
Yes, baby.
What's going on here?
My love.
Something good is happening.
Yeah, right. We're going to be super rich.
Something good is happening.
Yes, for real. Oh my God. Come.
Okay, so that means plain chocolate.
Of course.
Biscuits, lollipops.
Yeah, right. God is good.
God is wonderful.
God is wonderful.
You're happy, right?
Very happy.
Very happy.
Oh, wait.
Yeah?
Can we go to Disneyland?
Of course.
You know what? Once it's holiday, just let me know. Wherever you want to go to, just let Daddy know, and I'm going to take care of it.
Wait, what do you mean? Daddy? So am I not going with you? I'm going to take you there.
Should we take her?
No, we will take you there.
Hey, no.
Hey, wait.
What's that?
It is, and the wind in my sail and the sea stays behind me. Yeah. Finish it.
No.
He knows it.
I know you now. No.
It's a lie. You just copied me. You forgot. Okay, so let's go. When he entered.
Babe, shut up.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
There's no thing for this.
Okay.
And the wind in my sail and the sea stays behind me. And no one knows.
We're not wear white and glove.
We're not doing choreography.
Congratulations to us. Our association, Nurses Without Borders, has been approved by Nigeria and ECOWAS.
Woo! That's a great news! Yes. That's so good to hear.
Yes. So with that means all nurses in ECOWAS states, Toba was certified, can now work in all these African states like Gambia, Togo, and the likes.
That's so good to hear.
Yes. Lara. Yes. Ibola Kwanwa.
Ibi.
Are you sure you are here at all? Because I'm too well at it.
What do you mean, am I sure?
Okay. Did you hear the last thing that was said?
Yes, Mudo now. Mudo.
Okay. So now the most important next line of action is to select ESCOs, because Nigeria is the founding country. And that brings me to you, Lara, and Shego in absentia, and some of you others. You all better be ready. Woo! It's an international duty. Woo! Yeah!
Oh, we're good to go. That's it.
Lara. Kilo share.
So got to shame me. Oh, okay.
I don't know you to be someone who is always absent-minded. But I noticed that it seemed like you were lost in thought.
Of course, it can't be the entire time. Because my until but to mention ECOWAS. Miriam, surely believe me, in the last 3 days, Motibo ECOWAS more than 20 times. What is it with ECOWAS these days?
Kilo shele.
Goto shele ni pe. Deji were involved in One Health plan, Nigeria plan with other ECOWAS states. On your one schools, one treat one more against to one school, all those bacteria. Then because of the rate of illness and diseases, especially the communicable ones, the government wanted to spend $2 million on treating the children. Yes. So did you advise one? ó suggest a mode of prevention, which is of course more effective and less expensive. So wá ní instead wọ́n máa treat àwọn ọmọ yẹn, kí wọ́n kúkú train àwọn teachers yẹn about prevention, you know, against the bacteria, instead wọ́n máa fún wọn ní antioxidants káàkiri ni. So wọ́n dẹ̀ buy idea yẹn, and nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí náà, ó máa cost nothing less than $500,000. Whoa. Instead of the $2 million tó yẹ kán lọ tẹ́lẹ̀, you know, and Deji ni wọ́n fún ní contract yẹn.
Really?
Yes.
That's great news.
I know, right? So, by the time to fin lecture, idea kankan wá sí mi lórí ni.
Idea wo ni?
So,
Ìgbà tẹ́ ṣe estimation. Owó tá máa ná tá bá ń travel lọ sáwọn countries yìí, a máa tó bí 1 million or 1.5 million for 2 or 3 days. Àwọn countries mi gan bí Senegal, Ghana, Republic of Benin, a máa ná tó bí 2 million or 2.5 million or thereabout.
Thereabout, yeah.
So I've been thinking, since our nurses the Association of Nurses Without Borders, so they cut across West African states. So mo wò pé bóyá ká communicate pẹ̀lú àwọn nurses wà tani láwọn countries yẹn. So àwọn ló máa lọ sí àwọn schools tó wà around, wọn ló máa teach, you know, since tó jẹ́ medical line làwọn náà wà. Highest máa ná bóyá 200,000 or 300,000 or at most 500,000 naira. With that, we are going to be saving a whole lot of money, and of course, we'll still deliver.
Wait. Wow.
Yeah.
If this works, I check people go to government for trippy.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. See, all we need to do is to create an online awareness.
Okay.
I'm a share video class. So we're going to teach them what we know. Teach them our countries here. Show here. And with that, easy. And we are even going to reach a larger audience. You know.
Don't leave me.
Don't leave me.
Too much wisdom, baby.
I know, right?
Too much wisdom.
I know.
Babe. Honestly, you're the best for me.
Thank you. So are you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you more. What was that?
Nǹkan tí Mr. Deji fẹ́ ṣe fún wa àǹfààní ńlá ló yẹ kó jẹ́ fún our Nigerian health workers tó jẹ́ wípé a máa travel around the West African states tá máa wà exposed tó dẹ̀ máa add value sí CV wa tó dẹ̀ ti jẹ́ wípé a máa gba owó tabua níbẹ̀ àmọ́ fọ́mà tí màá ní fẹ́ lò yìí kò dá tó lójú tèmi opportunity tó yẹ pé àwa nìkan tó yẹ ká benefit from it. Oh, they long pay for long pay kakakiri.
Calm down. See, any which way, it's a win-win for us all. And at the end of the day, gbogbo wa la máa benefit from it. Ṣé dé mọ̀ pé àwọn Yorùbá máa ń sọ pé tá bá torí epo jẹṣu, á torí iṣu jẹ epo. So mo kàn fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ní sùúrù. Tá bá dé ro nǹkan kan, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ro ti Lara.
Àti pé Lara kò ṣe ọbẹ̀ kò lè gbà nǹkan tí lọ́wọ́ wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká consider.
Kò burú. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi lẹ̀ bẹ̀.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you, my wonderful team.
Problem.
Take care. All right. Bye.
Okay. The first installment of the project has been paid.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. God has blessed us.
I swear. I never saw this coming.
Wow.
It was like a dream.
Is the right thing for us to do after getting on this money.
Èmi náà kì í ṣe ọdẹ. Mo mọ nǹkan tí mo ṣe. Wọ́n ní tí kò bá nídìí, obìnrin ò kì í jẹ́ kúmọ́lò. Mi ò kì í ṣàpá. I have my prospective reasons. Kí ìwọ náà lè mọ̀ pé kò ń ṣe pé owó ló ń gún mi. Ìwọ náà ṣáà rí pé pàtí abẹ́lé la ṣe, so it's nothing heavy. Just don't worry. You'll find out the reason I wanted few of our friends around.
Mommy. Yes. Daddy.
Yes.
Ẹnujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti ń gbà wípé ẹ bímọ tó ń gbé pẹ̀lú inú ilé.
My darling, we are sorry. It's been a roller coaster of events for us in the last 7 days.
Yeah.
Jomabi.
I practically made my own breakfast for myself. You both didn't know what I ate this morning.
To be honest with you, Emigo Tifi no anything Lini.
As a matter of fact, we've been so busy that we do not even remember that we've not eaten today.
Yeah.
But then, that's not an excuse from us. Like your mom said, we are so sorry. Okay? And guess what? It's for the good. Because we're rich now.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Can I join the party outside?
Oh, no, my princess. No, you can't. The party is for grown-ups. What you're going to do, you go into your room, lock yourself. Ma boss it out.
And you could as well play music.
Games.
While you sing yourself to sleep. How about that?
Chocolate.
Deal? I love you, darling.
It's like your own. Because you're...
That is baby. That is baby. Have a good night.
Make sure you lock.
Okay.
Oh my God, that's so heavy. Right? Okay, let's join this guy, sorry.
Okay, let me go.
Hey, oh God. Oh God. I'm off on all. Correct man. Oh God. Thanks for coming. All that.
Thank you so much for coming.
Let's see what Lara. Yeah, cheers, baby. Cheers. You're right.
Babe, who the hell invited for to our party?
Oh, I did. I have my reasons, right?
That's it.
Right. I didn't mind. You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, Greg.
I'm invited, okay? I got this. I have my reasons, okay? Take something, right? Drink something. Oh. Come on. Hey. Hey. Come on. I got this. Come on. Yeah, drink. Come on.
Baba, you don't know. Give me my cup of water. Come shy, man. That's what we're here. Hey. Come on. Hey.
My parents are having a party.
A party? And I wasn't invited.
You are not invited. They play. Even I wasn't invited. Now that I'm living in this house, I can't go to the party. I'm not talking about yourself. I don't know what you're saying.
What kind of party is that?
My mom said it's an adult party or something.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi.
Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Maximum fun, bro.
Maximum fun. Oh God. But then, if I don't do this now, our body to pay and you lines. Oh yeah, honey, please come.
Okay.
I'm gonna continue after this time out.
Okay.
Okay.
Baba.
That's important.
Your body don't Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I can categorically say that today is the best day of my life.
Wow.
You can say that again.
Yeah. It didn't I've got acquaintances here, few close friends. That's life. I'm in and out from way back, So I could call today a flashback day, And you should tell us, don't worry, you can hold your thoughts, bro. So, ni abala throwback ti ni kumaronu gbogbo wa báyìí. I know there have been times in my life that some of you were there for me in my trying times. In our trying times. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi ṣara yín látẹ́wọ́. Èwo ni wọ́n ní títí bàbá yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ní dàkejì, ó láwọn kan tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ mi lẹ́yìn láburú. Àwọn tó ti feel pé kò lè dá fún mi mọ́. Àwọn tó rò mí pé. But then, let's go and carry one. No, don't do that. Please do not do that. Because only yeah. Yes, don't do me, but not anymore. Now. So definitely, I shouldn't be in that box again. Deciding we need to throw a reconciliation party. It's a two-way thing, but part one is a reconciliation party, right?
That is quite mature of you. I mean, I can remember vividly with the Moshe, but I was very surprised when I got your invitation that you were inviting me over for a get-together in your house, especially in seeing that we see you all over the TV. To exchange handshake with President Iluwa. Olofago.
Very, very magnanimous.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Attaining such heights, and me maro what's the status change, you fair change circle, but she waro invite our friend from way back. Pick our be shajoyo. Honestly speaking, surely you should come away. ojú òní tiẹ̀.
Àmín. Ojú òní ti gbogbo wa. Àmín.
Thank you so much. That's it. He's a great guy. He's a jolly good fellow.
And at the same time, ṣé gbogbo ara mọ̀ Fred now?
Yeah,
Fred, fine boy. Gbogbo ara mọ̀ Fred now, right? Ìjẹ́ gbogbo yín rántí pé Fred máa ń lé ìyàwó mi kiri gbà ẹ̀ tó máa ṣe kùrùkẹrẹ tó fẹ́ bá sùn.
Oh, babe. You're tipsy.
I got this, baby. I told you I got this, right? Fred, àwọn lè máa mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ rape ìyàwó mi gbà yẹn. I mean, we all know this is a criminal offense. But sometimes they say tamper justice with mercy, you know. So you just let something fly. I mean, ṣe bóun náà rè. Ẹni tó fẹ́ rape ìyàwó mi gbà yẹn, òun náà rè ní party wa. You know? Mo invite ẹ, ó dẹ̀ honor mi. As a matter of fact, nígbà tí mo send invite sílẹ̀ kan, ẹ márùn ló dá mi lóhùn. You know, like, oh, come on, that means kò sí ẹ̀rántí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe mọ́. Ọmọ pé normally, ẹni tó bá yàgbẹ́ ó lè gbàgbé, ẹni tó kó ló máa gbàgbé.
Ó ti yú sẹ́, dorí òwe kodò.
Oh, it's the other way around. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ mọ̀ òwe tẹ́ mọ̀ Yorùbá jù mí lọ, ẹ bá mi fix ẹ.
Ó ti lọ báyìí.
Do not also forget that our fine boys, there's a certain way to ronú. Because Fred has always seen himself, Rihannat Jimoh, has always seen himself as a fine boy, finest of them all that could become anything that he wants to be. And also have any woman of his choice. Right? But has of our time.
Babe.
Malabo.
Babe. All this you're saying is so unnecessary. Okay, what's you now? Don't you just go straight to your point?
I mean, sorry guys, honey. You know I love you, right? And I'll do anything for you. So, your wish is my command. First lady has spoken, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's go straight to the point. Okay, get boys to tell her. No, do what you think what I did about Koti Siles body, you know? So I said earlier that one part of this party is for reconciliation. Moving on.
Yeah.
Moshe White Mobile back rapist ko wasi, I mean allegedly, you know, attempted rapist. Ko wasi gadra ya kemo ko ti ton lokan mi niyen, you know. So I mean ko matter more, you know. So this very particular party, apart from the fact that it's there for reconciliation, a package it's for networking. Basically, opportunities. An opportunity to wani kakpami. It's no longer news to all of you that I am now a certified health contractor to the government, right? Gbogbo yin le mo. Contract what they for me ko cover Nigeria nìkan. O cover gbogbo ECOWAS states. Which means it's big, it's massive, it is large. So, mi ò fẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé mi nìkan ni mo máa jèrè yẹn. Mo fẹ́ káwọn tó wà around wa náà kan jèrè yẹn. But mo fẹ́ fún àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní first refusal rights.
Oh, nice.
Yes, tí ẹ bá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́, no problem, we can now proceed. Sáwọn ẹlòmíì tá máa train, tá máa kó lọ sí àwọn states tó dẹ̀ máa gbowó wọn. I mean, for you all to know that this is very beneficiary to all of us. Fred Bushewa, it should be 6 months ago when I want to sack a new Oasis Petroleum. Right? 6 months ago. You know? But boy, you only share for the past 6 months. Has been surviving. So my people will not just streets. I mean, they wouldn't be able to, I mean, keep up like this. You know, Maro, okay, fine. As a friend, Tioni Ro or Ratenwa, you know, Timoba train near Tom, you know, because that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be training people, you know, to work in our, you know, all the countries. Our countries that I'm teach. So if you can handle one class is 100K. So if one class is 100,000, anybody to only cover 10 classes in a week, that's 1 million naira.
Wow, that's
that's a whopping 4 million naira in a month.
Adult party in your house. What are they doing?
How am I supposed to know? She told me to lock myself in the room and I shouldn't come out.
Well, if I were you, I will be curious.
I'm curious, but I can't just disobey my parents like that. I want to stay in my room.
An adult party in your house? Seriously?
I'll call you back. That's what they're doing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, this one I'm doing is I can't continue.
Let the party continue, guys. Hey.
Baby, don't go to that
I'm coming. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Have fun.
Deji, why are you doing this? Be malpractice chamber. The contract that was meant to be executed by health professionals. Only because they were friends.
No. Calm down. I know what I'm doing. I got it.
You know what you're doing. To create embarrassing moment for a so-called party to organize. So, she no fair contract him she carry me. Can we only make life a better thing, all right? Because for real, Jamie, I don't understand.
Oh. About too much Ghost. Do I hear? I will go here. Do I go here, Lenny? Yo, Lola. You go money and do this order. Yo, Lola. Sing along. We had fun today. Yo, Lola.
Strange enough, the health scheme is going on very fine. Sure, but what I doubt in pé wọn kì í ṣe professional ta train yẹn. Gbogbo wọn náà ti understand prevention lecture. Tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti carry out gbogbo àwọn programs yẹn láwọn schools yẹn. So far, the health scheme is going on very fine and there's no problem.
That's true. So far, kò sí problem. But the problem bá wà, ó ń gbọ́gbọ́n ní problem. If any problem arises, ìgbà yẹn ni àwọn issue license ló máa come up. Ló máa di pé wọ́n béèrè pé license àwọn tó ń lecture nǹkan. Ìwọ náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn tá kó sí di kíní, èyí tó pọ̀ jù ní wọn school start holders ni wọ́n. They are just our friends. Èmi inú wọn engineers ni wọ́n. Some are artists tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ mọ̀ anything nípa iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe. But ìyẹn gangan kọ́ wá tiẹ̀ ní problem mi. Major problem tí mo ní gangan is the fact that Deji has really changed. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé nísìn for like 2 or 3 days Deji lè má wálé. I'm telling you, tí n bá dẹ̀ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ sọ pé òun busy pẹ̀lú health scheme. In a way, mo feel pé ó ń try láti sideline mi kó lè ṣe àwọn nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe. Ó yẹ dáhùn pé mò ń nag jù ni o, àbí mò ń complain jù. Mi ò mọ̀. Nǹkan tí mo kàn mọ̀ ni pé now he's just paying me as a consultant. He's not getting me actively involved in the health scheme anymore.
Hey. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo wọ́n ni. Mo wọ́n ni. See, I understand it's a brilliant idea. Ó dẹ̀ ń try láti save costs. But gbogbo kíní yìí ìwọ ló yẹ kó máa benefit látara ẹ̀. At least by now wàá máa travel lọ gbogbo àwọn West African states bí àwọn Sierra Leone, Cotonou, Côte d'Ivoire and the likes. I understand it's going to cost a lot, but at least ìwọ náà á fi ìyẹn mọ̀ lú. Gbogbo àwọn tẹ̀dẹ̀ ní síbẹ̀ tó ń ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó travel lọ máa ṣe. Ìwọ náà wo irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. But ọ̀rẹ́ wo ìwọ náà ló máa mọ bó ṣe máa bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ìwọ náà ló máa pè tó máa bá sọ̀rọ̀. Because kí ni excuse ẹ̀ tí ò fi wálé for 3 days? Kí ló sọ pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀?
The last time, ó ní òun ní urgent call kan. Òun ní láti sáré fly lọ sí Ghana lọ sort àwọn nǹkan. Although only everything is fine now, but I'm bothered because Eni o fly lọ Gambia lọ sort nǹkankan, ọ̀la o fly lọ Mali lọ sort nǹkankan, ọ̀túnla o fly lọ Republic of Benin láti lọ sort nǹkankan. So I'm like, what's the point? Kí wá ní reason tá ṣe ń sanwó fáwọn nurses tó wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn kó máa ṣe nǹkan? Kò yé mi, and the most annoying thing is the fact that kò tiẹ̀ wá carry me along mọ́ rárá. Whatever he wants to do, he will just do it without even telling me about it. Surely believe pé ó ra new car. Ìgbà tí máa bí ó ní ẹ̀hún ta old car wa lòun fi ra new car. And rumor has it pé old car yẹn ó fún yàn ni.
Ó fún ta ni?
I don't know.
Okay. Ó mọ nǹkan. Calm down. Ṣórí, sùúrù lèèyàn fi ń ṣaya ọkùnrin. Ṣé dẹ̀ ráwọn ọkùnrin tó ń wò yìí? Tọ́mọdé wọn bá pa erin níta, á dáa jẹ. Tó bá pa ẹfọ̀n níta, á dáa jẹ. Àmọ́ ọjọ́ tó bá pa àrọ̀ gidigba, ìgbà yẹn ló máa rántí pé òun nílé kan. Wá fi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe, ilé ni àpótí ń jókòó dèdí. Ṣórí ìka tó wà yẹn, ó máa lé ọmọ wa nulẹ̀. Fi ṣe sùúrù.
Sùúrù, ìfarabalẹ̀ la fi ń gbáyé.
Ṣàṣe sùúrù sí. Sùúrù, ó máa níyànjú.
Ó kàn máa ṣe nǹkan míì, kò tiẹ̀ ní. I'm like, àbí Deji kọ́ ni, kò tiẹ̀ ní béèrè bóyá mo tiẹ̀ wà okay pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, àbí mi ò wà okay, you just do it.
Mo dẹ̀ sọ o, kéèyàn kan máa dàbí pé èèyàn hate, ó yẹ mo sọ. Mo ti rí gbogbo kinní, mo ti wò pé bó ṣe máa fẹ́ rí lélẹ̀, but sùúrù la máa fi yanjú ẹ̀. Sùúrù la máa ṣe.
Kórìbò ẹ lójú o, àfẹ́ ayé o.
I thought I heard a knock on the gate.
No, there was no knock at the gate. I didn't hear a knock.
Oh, okay.
There's nobody at the gate.
Nobody is knocking. I could have sworn I heard a bang on that gate.
Mama, daddy came day. If I were you, I would just go to bed and sleep. Oh, yeah, go to my Lara in Jumetai. Daddy will come out to Lemo. You know, the man sorry, pé tí orin bá yí padà. Ó yẹ kí ìlú náà yí padà. Something has changed. Daddy isn't coming home this night.
hear that?
This time, yes. There was a knock on the gates.
Hey, there was a bang on the gates. I'm coming. Mongo.
Hi.
How come you silly?
I know.
You know, so you shouldn't be here.
Lara, you warned him worry.
How come you need Betty?
He's not coming back anytime soon. As a matter of fact, he may not be coming home tonight. Just like yesterday.
Hey, but please, Fred. She life in me at coming on Shoka Kirini. What's all this about?
Joe, check him rear. It is really, really important. Please.
Fred, you need to leave now because my daughter is at home.
Lara, I am here because of the safety of your daughter and yourself. Please, let me talk to you. Joe.
Kó tó sọ nǹkan fún mi. Mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé kò sí ìfẹ́ lọ́kàn mi. I never loved you and nothing you do will make me. So stop trying.
Lara, I am here to tell you the truth that I feel you deserve to know.
Okay. Mongo.
Shall we?
No. We'll talk here.
L1 Records, baby.
Give it for me one more day. Hey, God. Like bulldozer. I need you by my side. Kékeré o. Kékeré o. Oya. Ọgbọ́n lọ bẹ ní mọ́rọ̀. Ayé la máa jẹ fún ẹ. Yéé sí bàtà. Don't stop it, baby! Don't stop it, baby! Ṣé bó ṣe wà yìí? Mo máa jayé kú ni. Mo máa jayé orí mi, mo máa enjoy ni because báwọn kan ṣe wà ẹ́, some people like to be housewife. Number level. Why some people just love to be waiting side chick? Number level. Ọ̀dẹ̀ ló máa ń ṣe housewife o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà yìí, ayé lọ́bọ̀ ń jẹ lórí. Ayé orí mi máa máa jẹ mi. Ọ̀rọ̀.
That's the word there. That's the word actually, yeah. Mo fẹ́ buttress nǹkan sí bébí mi sọ.
Pé kí ni o?
Sorry. Camouflage lásán ìyàwó lẹ́mú. Side chick gbogbo lọkọ máa ń gbádùn.
Na him be say na side chick gbogbo na him be the main chick. On code.
Ọ̀nà. Because side chick gbogbo kọ́nàkọ́nà gbogbo kọ́rọ́kọ́rọ́ pé ìwà ìpò lè bá ìjàmìjà torí diva. Àjíṣó ti rí diva ni.
Na him be say na Eva gbogbo na him dey gbádùn na him dey ṣàyè bẹ̀. Ó ti lọ báyẹn.
Shake it baby.
Na. Ibi ni máa gún. Ọ̀nà.
Man.
Aṣọ́kàn tó yìí.
You don't see the load.
Baba mi, I just dey imagine you say aṣọ́kàn tó yìí. I go dey imagine so that I don dey play am for my head say wetin go dey there last song. Ajé.
Bani fún wèrè yìí lọ́rùn. You want another imagination I go kill you. Wait. I swear, you go dey reason my head.
Ajé mi ò jẹ́ gbégẹ̀ sí ọ̀dọ́. Mi jẹ́ gbégẹ̀ sí ọ̀dọ́.
Wo bí mo ṣe wà yìí. Tí machine mi tó bá tú kásálẹ̀ tó báyìí gbogbo orí mi á kàn máa lágbo ní gbàùn.
Sọ́kọ̀ lọ. Gbàùn. Sọ́kọ̀ lọ.
Mi ò láìpẹ́ náà. Later you advertise it back me then.
Ajo walo.
Just say na.
Actually, any other person he die.
Àjọ wà náà ni.
Man of anybody last song. You go to Jiwo last song. First time.
Support law. I don't take care. Don't they make me jealous. All of them just take yourself too. I only be just stay here.
Wait, Jimmy consignment 13 for.
Lara to take.
Oh yeah, own here.
Sorry, láti bí ọdún mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn, arena yìí òun sì ní Deji fi ṣe ilé. Sorry, ìwọ oníwà ni o máa ń wò tí o bá ti lò ó lọ́wọ́.
Stop with the judgment. Just drop your fact and leave the judgment to me. Ó ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ bá mi sọ, ó dá lórí safety mi àti ọmọ mi. Eléyìí tó fi hàn mí ń sìn jọ kí ló ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi.
Lara, bí ọdún mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn, incident kan ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ìwọ, ọkọ ẹ̀ àti engineer Fọlárin kan, right? Ṣorí incident tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn, ó really bruise egun ọkọ ẹ̀. And kò sí nǹkan tó máa ń bruise egun ọkùnrin ju pé kó rí pé ìyàwó òun bá ọkùnrin mi sùn and kò lè ṣe nǹkan kan sí.
Engineer Fọlárin and I never had anything to do together. Neither did I have anything to do with you, just the way you are lying and portraying it to people. Yeah, more kí n tó mọ̀ Deji, but we are just friends.
Can we not distract and focus on the main conversation?
Exactly. Just let's focus, let's concentrate. Tell me how this old bullshit concerns my daughter. Go for engineer Fọlárin, kò ṣe engineer Fọlárin. Engineer Fọlárin tan so is dead. He died right in my house then. Engineer Fọlárin was a good man. He was a better man than you are. At least throughout our relationship, he never forced me to do anything or attempt to rape me.
Lara, we need to set the record straight. I never tried to rape you at all. I was only expressing my love to you and I got carried away with it. Like you said, sometimes human beings, we get carried away.
Please, can we just talk about why you are here? Just go straight to the point.
Okay. Gbogbo ìgbà tí ìwọ àti Engineer Fọlárin date or but I don't believe in date. There was a woman in Deji's life. Her name is Eva. Àwọn méjèèjì then be friends for a while and when she wọlé wọ̀de and everything. In fact, Eva ló máa ń fún Deji lówó.
I thought it was his friend John.
No. At one point, Deji file John sílẹ̀ kó tó di pé wọ́n arrest ẹni báyìí. Tó ti wá filẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn ló pàdé Miriam. Kó tó di pé wọ́n travel wá bá ẹni abúlé. You see, Lara, your husband did not entirely forgive you. He is only here to take a revenge on you. And you don't know. Sorry, Eva tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ gbà yìí, only nickname tó ń pè. They call her MD, Ministry Dog. Ajá Ministry ló ń pè. Kò wá sí ẹni tí MD ò tí bá sùn tán. Just name it. Commissioner ni, politicians ni, special advisors ni ministry. She is everywhere. But Eva yìí gan-an ló ṣe gbogbo arrangement tí Deji fi get contract by the government. Bó dé ṣe bá get gbogbo contract yẹn tán. Right now, Eva has more stake than yourself to jẹ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀. Let me just continue. Sorry, nígbà tí ọmọ tó time àti get contract yìí, Deji needed to be married in status. But they will calculate. Because only Latin married for at least 5 good years. And that is why he's back into your life. Deji is only here because of 2 things. The status and the contract. We will calculate, okay. If Talifa Vishaya again, if not you. Because Golemu, if I lost him, because I jack Boroni, everybody lomo. So, my dear, okay, nígbà tó mọ̀ yẹn, ìwọ ni wà lọ́wọ́. But right now, ìwà tí gangan ló ń bá ẹ.
Your story is quite intriguing and interesting. But you still haven't told me how this has got something to do with my daughter.
Like I said, everybody knows Eva as a Jagbo, but I know more. She's also a kidnapper. And she's planning to kidnap your daughter. Yes. Because at the contract in Yetunde, she was expecting like 30% or 40% from the contract. But guess what? The job boy go for kaka. She's always even complaining, "Pay, who she check up friend they go say, don't my phone maybe 50,000, 100,000." So right now, she's out for blood. Because she's not happy.
But why are you telling me all of this? What's the aim? Why are you doing this? Why are you telling me?
I believe you deserve better. Muli mali femu, but you may be only anywhere now. And I cannot watch you at it no vegetables no go to buy. Ki wa dake or ki ma so anything. Because I believe be omolore ni. But they could dear buy ki omolore could jabos no go to. Mono ashishe mole. And that's why I'm doing all this for you.
Well, this mommy, come close, man.
Hello.
But she won't be buying, see. Mo fẹ́ fún ẹ ní Batista style. Enang pattern, bank style, imported Latin Malabo, you know. Something different, you know.
Well, babe, normal level, yeah. Because bí mo ṣe wà yìí, èmi náà wá fún ẹ ní a Shakira style.
Iba.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, mo máa wá dára fún ẹ gidi gan ni.
Yeah, ọmọ Lara.
You don't understand what is happening here.
Babe, nǹkan tó bá ṣe tí ilẹ̀ ló ń gbé. Ọba Lara ni rẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ fi ẹ̀yin méjèèjì dára tó wọ́n mi lé ní. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní menage à trois style. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí? Mo fẹ́ láì méjèèjì lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
John torí Ọlọ́run. Irú nonsense wo lele báyìí?
Nonsense bit about. Okay. 1 million fine méjèèjì. How about that?
Jọ irú nonsense wo lele. Tó wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ di òjò tó ń rọ̀. Tó wá fẹ́ dẹyẹlé mi pọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀dìyẹ eléyìí. Eléyìí tó ṣara wo ọ̀gùn wọn tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí rin bí nǹkan tí mi ò mọ̀. Àbí irú trash wo lele ìgànnà. Ó wá ń sọ ní ìsìn ó ló fẹ́ fún mi lówó. Tó bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ fún mi lówó gan-an jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo deserve láì ṣe kọ́kọ́ fún ẹ. Kó fún mi kí n máa lọ kó yan dé fún mi. Okay. Ká fi yẹn sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan. Tó bá tiẹ̀ wá fẹ́ dash mi lówó pé ó fẹ́ fún mi lówó jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ṣó máa wá fún èmi àti eléyìí báyìí. Ṣó máa fún wọn ní equal amount ni.
Hey, Otto. I don't understand. Àtòjò, àtẹyẹlé, àtadìyẹ. Kò tí yé mi dáadáa.
Ojú ló mọ ohun tó yónú.
So, ó fẹ́ sọ fún mi wípé o ní láti gbowó ju èmi làbí kí ló ń sọ yẹn?
Exactly.
Oh, jọ kí ló gbé tí mi ò gbé?
Gbogbo full package ni. Ṣóòrè ni. Ọmọ pọ̀. Ọmọ ta lẹ́nu. Ọmọ dùn.
Ibo ló ti dùn?
Ó sweet.
Ibo ló ti dùn?
Ẹ̀rọ bọ́ tó náà tó ni.
Bóyá kí ìwọ gan wò. Full package.
Ìwọ náà
Eléyìí
wà.
kọ́.
So that okay, you know what? Based on bí wọ́n ṣe jẹ́, you understand. 2 million for you ever. And ìwọ náà kiri o. Ṣé wọ́n náà kiri? Súnmọ́ mi. 1 meter for you.
1 million kẹ́. Tó bá ṣe eré fẹ́ wá sọ di 5 million. Ṣé wọ́n wá ìmì?
Are you for real?
Ẹ jábẹ̀.
Orí náà bad. Ẹ jẹ́ àrùn pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ àrùn pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ má bà ayé mi jẹ́ sílíkì. Ayé mi ò sí. Má fọwọ́ ra báyìí, má bá fọwọ́ ra báyìí. Má bá fọwọ́ ra báyìí. Mo kú o.
Tí kò ní tó, kò sóhun tó lè, tí kò ní dára, kò sóhun tó dùn, tí kò ní tó, kò sóhun tó lè, tí kò ní dára máa jẹ́. Kórúbọ ẹ lójú o, afẹ́ ayé o. Sùúrù ìfarabalẹ̀ la fi ń gbáyé. Sùúrù ìfarabalẹ̀ la fi ń gbáyé. Igi kan kò lè dágbà ṣe o.
Ó yá, mo ń gbọ́.
What is blade in Yoruba?
Abẹ.
Yeah. Under.
Abẹ.
We jumped.
Abẹ.
Abẹ. Wait. Okay, abẹ.
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 No.
Titele under abẹ.
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 Okay.
We sliced.
Abẹ.
Okay.
Yeah. Fan.
Abẹbẹ.
Okay.
Very correct. We begged.
Abẹbẹ.
Oh yeah.
So how do you say we begged under the fan that we sliced with a blade when we jumped?
Oto.
Abẹbẹ ní abẹ́ abẹbẹ.
Báwo lè máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ lẹ́bẹ̀ abẹ̀bẹ̀?
Abẹbẹ ní abẹ́ abẹbẹ. Ní abẹ́.
Nǹkan tó
complete the other part.
No,
Say the other part.
That's not part of our deal, no?
Oh yeah, abẹbẹ ní abẹ́ abẹbẹ. So complete the rest.
Abẹ̀bẹ̀ ní abẹ́ abẹ̀bẹ̀. What's that? Abẹ̀bẹ̀ ní abẹ́ abẹ̀bẹ̀. Read it again, baby. Read it again.
We begged under the fan.
Under the fan. Now abẹbẹ ní abẹ́ abẹbẹ. Yeah, go ahead.
That we sliced with a blade.
Tí abẹ pẹ̀lú abẹ. Abẹbẹ ní
Tí abẹ́ pẹ̀lú abẹ́.
Tí abẹ́.
No, sọ pé tí abẹ́.
No, tí abẹ pẹ̀lú abẹ. Abẹbẹ ní abẹbẹ. Abẹbẹ ní abẹ́ abẹbẹ.
Abẹbẹ la.
Abẹbẹ ní abẹ́ abẹbẹ tí abẹ pẹ̀lú abẹ. Bring it on, baby. Bring it on.
Madam.
You failed it. -1.
No, wait, no. See abẹ. That means you didn't hear me well. Oh yeah, bring me your proof that I said so. Where's the proof?
Can you imagine?
Mama God.
Okay, baby.
So I got that one.
Don't worry.
Bring it on, baby. Bring it on. I'm ready.
What is plantain in Yoruba?
Dodo.
Okay. River.
Odo.
Zero.
Odo.
Honesty.
Ododo.
Flower.
Ododo.
Oh. Okay. No, I mean, so how would I say? I ate 0 plantain. I saw flower at the honest river.
Mo jẹ dodo odo. Yeah, complete the rest. Mo jẹ dodo odo. Mo wá rí òdòdó ní odo.
Ní odo ko.
Mo wá rí ní odo. Mo wá rí òdòdó. Mo rí òdòdó odo. Mo rí òdòdó odo.
No way.
Odo.
Everything tó wù ẹ́ tó fẹ́ pè mí lọ́kàn máa dúró tì ẹ́.
Tani ṣe ògo san wọ́n ní ilé aládì ẹnu o ṣeun mi bàbá tani ṣe ògo san ayọ̀ owó ìfẹ́ ayọ̀ owó ìfẹ́ wọ́n ṣe pàtàkì nínú ayé ẹ̀dá ayọ̀ owó ìfẹ́ ayọ̀ owó ìfẹ́ wọ́n ṣe pàtàkì nínú ayé ẹ̀dá ayọ̀ owó ìfẹ́.
Tofunmi.
La fi ṣayé
Tofunmi. 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 Tofunmi.
Yeah. Come in. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beleza.
No. How much I just so much uncle?
Oh, those ladies, what's it law? Yeah. But sir, I really suffer from gone you because by the time ladies in law, I pay intercommunity pick call. So we have to come and check on you, boya you were okay or not. So when we go here, so you were really deep asleep and I felt disturbing. So we had to discharge the ladies. And now TTG in Koto Tegbimwan Pimofa being boya Emma retain or Emma check out.
The best thing to do is to go home first. I should go home first, you know, so. But you want girls, you want I be sure you know. I can't for jewelry or I can't get down. Laying does it about lots of millions. I can't familiar about it. Oh, dear, care where I'm very about you or no see.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Oh, see me. You want to form corporate at a seriousness or little bows in your breast, eh?
No, because it's not like that.
Oh, woman, lang dinner. Am I worried now? So no, my mind really what you know. I mean, my funny enough money, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was by the wedding.
You want to carry a ton, Joe.
Okay.
Oh, bad. My worry, my para, my share that out.
All right, sure.
Yeah.
So, am I check out? Yeah.
Give it.
Yeah.
Sorry about this.
No, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Let me myself a fresh number. You're pretty. Yeah. Oh wow, Mario, mad, you know, it's your problem.
What's it, G? Mary. Kí ló ṣe mí báyìí láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù yìí? Hope no problem.
There's no problem.
So, why are you here this early morning?
Your daughter called.
Ọmọ mi pè é.
Yeah.
Òun wá dà?
Ní sùúrù. Ó ti lọ sí school.
Okay, so kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Why tó fi pè é?
See, you know you have a very intelligent daughter. Ọmọ ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ tó ní ọgbọ́n àti òye. Ó sọ fún mi pé gbogbo bó ṣe ń sunkún lánàá lòun ń gbọ́. In fact, gbogbo conversation ẹ pẹ̀lú àlejò tó wá ẹ wá lánàá, gbogbo ẹ ló sọ pé òun gbọ́ pátápátá. See, ó mọ̀ pé ọkàn ẹ pòrúurú. And she knows that you will need somebody like me around láàárọ̀ yìí. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe pè mí.
So she left for school already. But ṣó jẹun kó tó lọ ṣá?
Calm down, woman. I'm also a mother. So I've done all the necessary things. She's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
calm down. Your daughter is fine. You want to call me soon.
Mo rò sọ́tún, mo rò sósì. Mo rò pé ó jọ pé Ọlọ́run ò kọ owó tabo Amimi àti Deji. Maybe we are just meant to be average or even below average. Ọlọ́run ò kọ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ wa.
No. Sure. Ọmọdé ló ń ṣẹ̀yìn méjèèjì. And I feel maturity in you too. See, it's safe to say you guys blindly fell in love and got married a bit too early. Sure, with my experience in life, àti ọgbọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n tèmi náà fi ṣọgbọ́n, mo realize pé ìrìn àjò ìgbéyàwó ìfẹ́ lásán ò tó o. There are so many other things to be considered, like understanding, ọgbọ́n, ìmọ̀, òye, àyíníke, àyínípadà, so that tí irú nǹkan báyìí bá ṣẹlẹ̀, èèyàn á lè fi tó bó ṣe yẹ kó rí. Ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ò dẹ̀ kí ń ṣọmọ ojú ọ̀rọ̀ lárí. But each time tówó bá ti tẹ ọwọ́ yín, immaturity yín yìí máa jáde ní ṣá. See, I believe in your lifetime, there are so many opportunities tó ṣì máa wá síwájú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì tẹ́ máa ti rí owó ńlá kó jọ, owó tabua. But tẹ́ ẹ bá wá fi ọpọlọ sí i, gbogbo ìlàkàkà yín as a resourceful person, as a hard worker that you guys are, gbogbo ẹ̀ kàn máa já sásán ni. Ṣó dẹ̀ rí ìwọ, gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ti ń bá ẹ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀. By now, tówó ti dọ́wọ́ yín, tíṣẹ́ yín ti ń lọ déédéé, you should be thinking about having a second baby. Tofunmi ti dàgbà now. But instead, àtàmọ́ lẹ́yìn méjèèjì ń wá kiri. Wo, ọ̀rẹ́, tọ́pọ̀ ẹ bá ti dé, má gbàgbé gbogbo nǹkan tí mo bá ẹ sọ. Má bàjá o. Ṣó ti yé ẹ? Dúró, bí pé mo gbọ́ tí mọ́tò kan wọlé. Ṣé kò ṣàwọn ọmọdé yẹn? Ó gbà pa àwọn náà. Uncle Deji, ẹ káàbọ̀.
Ẹ kúlẹ̀. Ṣé wàá okay, sir?
Yeah, we're okay, sir.
Good.
Miriam, don't worry. Could you see any problem? Trust me.
Má gbàgbé gbogbo nǹkan tí mo bá ẹ sọ, ṣó ti gbọ́. Pẹ̀lẹ́kùtù ni kò fi ṣe o.
Deji, where are you coming from?
I thought I sent you a message in Jatto. Most of them go money urgent call láti wá sí Bamako. Bamako mo ti ń bọ̀ láàárọ̀ ìbáyìí.
Kí ni orúkọ airline tó gbé láti Bamako wá sí Kularo?
What kind of question is that?
It's a simple question. Just answer it. Kí ni orúkọ airline tó gbé from Bamako to Lagos this morning?
Bamako airline.
There is nothing like Bamako airline. Not in Bamako, not in Africa, not in Europe or anywhere in the world. Local airline to Sheni Bamako is called Sky Mali. The one operating internationally is the Turkish airline. So wherever you go this your Bamako airline push it from, I don't know, there's nothing like it. Deji, you are lying. Deji, you're not coming from Bamako.
CIA. Arino de Morocco. Oh, now you know everything, right? Then you should know where I'm coming from.
Of course, I know where you're coming from. I know what you're doing. I know where you were last night. I saw the video of you and the women. Deji, ó fi ìyàwó sílẹ̀, ó fi ọmọ sílẹ̀, ó wà irresponsibly everywhere. What is happening? Are you on a revenge mission? Deji, ṣé o ń try láti gbẹ̀san nǹkan tí mo ṣe sẹ́yìn ni? Because mo ti bẹ́ẹ̀ now.
No, please, can you just cut me that slack? Ta ló fẹ́ gbẹ̀san? Bygone is bygone as far as I'm concerned. I'm only living my life as a man. And you do not have the right to question me, not even as my wife. I get it. Mo ti indulge you on too many things. Nítorí pé mi àti àtijọ́ fìdí ròdì inú ilé. Or you feel that's meant to be the standard of a man's life? Hell, no, it's not. As a man, I shouldn't be at home all the time. That's nonsense. It doesn't make sense. Àmọ́, mo ti fàyè gbà ẹ́ jù. And all of this will have to stop because mi ò like you being my fọwọ́lálẹ̀ fún mi, and that is not going to happen. I'm not going to take it. Not from you, not from anyone.
I'm so disappointed in you. Deji, mo rí ẹ pẹ̀lú Lady Eva yẹn. See, ìyẹn kọ́ ni kókó, ìyẹn kọ́ ni problem. I just want to tell you that Eva is a very dangerous lady. She works with kidnappers. Agents àwọn kidnappers ni. What's funny?
You are funny. Because mo mọ ilé, mo mọ̀nà Eva. Whoever your filthy informant is, tó ń fún ẹ láwọn reckless information yìí, ó ti mọ̀ fò. Because Eva could be anything but a kidnapper or anything criminally. No, she can't be involved.
I see you so blinded. So, ìdí ẹ̀ ti dùn mọ́ ẹ débi pé orí ẹ̀ ti dàrú, ó ti gba làákàyè lọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. I'm telling you that life ọmọ wa wà ní danger mi báyìí. You are telling me rubbish. Ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ òṣì ọ̀rọ̀ ìranù. Ipe ọmọ ilé ọmọ inú ẹ̀ ọmọ kìíní kan ọmọ kìíní kan. So ìdí ti dùn mọ́ ẹ débi pé orí ẹ̀ ò pé mọ́, ó wà ókè mọ́.
What insolence! How dare you speak to me in that condescending manner? Show her, okay? You need làákàyè mi ti dàrú. Are you wrong? You wouldn't try that with me.
Okay, Tofunmi. When I'm talking about the safety of my daughter,
everything. What's up with our lives? You are endangering our lives. What's up with she Jatilanu? What's up with Shut it down.
Lara, dia ọwọ́ sókè olú. Lara, dia ọwọ́ sókè olú ọpẹ. Olóòrè kẹ́ padà yìí ṣe ni àná. Má wọrí, má wọrí. Má fi.
Uncle Deji sha, ìwà àgbàyà náà wù yìí o.
Kò sóhun tó dùn tí kò ní tán o, kò sóhun tó lẹ̀ tí kò ní dára.
How could you tell?
That what?
That everything is not okay at home. Is it that obvious?
Well, let's just say I'm super observant.
Recently, blowing your own trumpet has been your favorite thing to do.
Abina, tí o bá yìn, máa yìn ram. Hi. Ká má fọ̀rọ̀ lẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé wàá máa wá gbé lọ́dọ̀ wa? Ilé tèmi tẹ̀ wá súnmọ́ school. Tó bá tẹ̀ jẹ́ bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan or so, kí everything fi die down nílé ẹ̀.
No. That will be sending alarm signals to your mom that everything is not okay at home. I don't want such bad publicity.
Well, you're not new to that though. You remember your days of cough syrup addiction?
Not funny. Bad day devil drink water.
Wait. Oh yeah, seriously. On a more serious note, you know, I'm a bit louder one.
Ashion, I'm fine. Bami ki mommy e. Ole ma padà lọlé.
Are you sure?
100. I'm good. Good night, big head.
Good night, small head. I'm bringing chocolates tomorrow.
Make sure they are my favorites. Snickers.
Got it, small head.
You know, who's this? Huh? What is it? No, I'm not screaming. I'm not screaming. No, I'm not sent to the police. Where? How? Yeah. Oh my God. I won't say anything to anyone. Yeah.
What was happening, babe? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Shimi, you are down right. What's happening here now? Lara?
Ní sùúrù, I'm as confused as you are.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan bolo wá? Gbé jáde fún mi now.
Ní sùúrù, ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé lẹ́ẹ̀kan tẹ́ bínú lọ yẹn? Èmi àti ẹ lọ hospital pé kó tẹ̀ lọ gba treatment. So ìgbà tá wá ṣe tó ní òun fẹ́ wá sílé kó òun wá rest díẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ ní no problem, mo gbé wá sílé pé èmi á dáná fún un kó lè jẹun kó lóògùn. Ó dẹ̀ wọnú yàrá lọ, èmi náà wà nínú kitchen. Ìgbà tí mo ṣe tán, mo bá gbóúnjẹ lọ nú yàrá. I met the room empty. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wá kiri ní gbogbo nílé mi ò rí. Mo pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀ kò lọ. Ibi tí mo ṣáà ti ń wá kiri, mo ṣáà rí lẹ́tà yìí tó kọ sílẹ̀. Ó ní tí Tofunmi bá ti dé láti school ó pé kí n mú sọ́dọ̀ pé èmi nìkan lòun lè trust pẹ̀lú Tofunmi. Ikú tún sọ nìyẹn.
Ibanez bíbá o kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà?
Olórí òun straight òun fẹ́ Ibanez.
Orí òun straight bí báwo wo àwọn kidnappers wọ́n ti kidnap Tofunmi o. Wọ́n ti pè mí wọ́n ti pé àwọn ní ransom 200 million.
Kí lẹ sọ?
200 million naira.
Ibo láti fẹ́ rí 200. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan ẹ fẹ́ lé ilẹ̀ náà. Ẹ pé nọ́mbà tó fi pè yín. Ẹ pè wọ́n náà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí ọ̀yọ́.
Tí wọ́n kọ́ kí n fẹ́ sọ fún mi ò tí lógún lẹ̀ náà.
200 million. Kí la máa ṣe? Ó yá.
Wọ́n ní pé kí n má pè é pa. Oh my God, I don't even know what to do right now. I don't know what to do right now. Where is my daughter?
Orí ni mo ṣe tí Deji fẹ́ sọ di bí mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́. Mo mú ẹ mọ àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì. Mo mú ẹ wọ ministry. Ó gba contract over 500 million naira. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mi ò rí 3 million naira nínú ẹ̀. Ó fẹ̀yìn mi gbolẹ̀. Ó ṣe mí báṣubàṣu. Ó tún wá dàbí pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ smello kan lórí pé a fẹ́ ṣe threesome. Ọ̀bọ tó fi lọ mí yìí ò tó ẹ̀. Ó tún wá sọ fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá pé èmi suspect lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n kidnap. Deji, èló gan ló ní tó ní kí Sunny wá play fún ẹ. Lẹ́mi tí mo mọ àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ní billions nínú account wọn mi ò tí kidnap wọn. Deji máa ṣe orí burúkú ni. Ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni. Orí òde tọ́ sí ẹ bó ti wù kó kó.
Madam, gbogbo ẹjọ́ tẹ́ ò sílẹ̀ pátá kò lè help wa fún investigation wa. I better ke confess. Ká bá lè yọ yín kó lára àwọn tó máa jẹyà. Ibo ni Tofunmi wà?
Mo dáràn gbé o. Deji, kò ní dá fún ẹ, kò ní ṣe oríire lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mi ò mọ́wọ́ tí mi ò mú ẹsẹ̀. I don't even know his daughter. Mi ò rírí, mi ò pàdé ẹ̀rí bó lè mi àti ẹ ti jọ mọ́ra. Mi ì mọ́mọ́ ẹ. Fred.
Hi. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
Lucia.
He hit me. He punched me.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying not to reach you, but I will know.
I'm phone me because me fake can't me reach for now. At least 1 week. Joe, I need to clear my head. She will leave for it, but must be back.
Here?
Yes.
Yeah. Just 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Just relax. I'm coming.
Okay, thank you. Ẹ̀wọ̀n
Josa, mi ò mọ kókó pẹ́. Oko, mo ṣe wáyé, nǹkan tó bá ti lè jọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ lọ. Wà lórí mi wọn kì í jẹ. Sir, lẹ́yìn kì í ṣe runs. Mi ò ever ní any criminal record rí láyé mi. I can never be involved in kidnapping, Joe.
This is how most criminals sound until they are busted. Rest assured, they're going to bust you.
Hey.
It's only a matter of time.
What about my diary? I'm your monster.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you can come now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Careful.
Okay. Wait.
Just keep going. Just take a left.
Okay. You're for me forever.
Ẹni ẹ rí ọmọ ẹ ní ọjọ́ tó pòórá kódà ẹ̀yin lè dáná fún ẹ tún fún lówó tó mú lọ sí school. Kí wá ní àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ tún lè sọ fún wa tó lè ràn wá lọ́wọ́ nínú ìwádìí wa? Madam, kí ló ń pa yín lẹ́kún?
Officer, ẹ bá mọ nǹkan tí ojú ọmọ yìí ti rí in the last 4 years. Ẹ wo, àdúrà mi ni pé k'Ọlọ́run ń ṣe ọmọ yìí ní rírí. Torí I think she deserves new parents. Àti bàbá àti ìyá ọmọ yìí, they are so immature. Bó tiẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe ọmọ náà gan òye bí.
Madam, it seems you know more. Can you please tell me more?
Mr. Deji, èyí ló pé ọjọ́ kẹta tá a ti ń wá Tofunmi. Èyí náà ló pé ọjọ́ kẹta tí ìyàwó yín ti pòórá bí òkìní nínú òkun. Ṣé ẹ rò wí pé ìyàwó yín wà involved nínú géèmì?
Officer, ìyàwó mi lè ní àwọn ìwà ṣẹ̀mí lọ́wọ́. Àmọ́ kò lè ever play games pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀. Kò possible. There's this guy called Fred. He hates my guts. I think you should arrest him too. Taba arrested, we'll find Ed's way. Àmọ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Lara àti Tofunmi. Honestly, I trust her.
Mr. Deji, with women, you never can tell. Tí obìnrin bá ń bínú, they'll be willing to dine with the devil. Investigation àti kọjá gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀yin sọ yìí. We have investigated your friends. Friend tẹ̀yin sọ yẹn, kí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti kúrò ní Nigeria. So it's out of the question. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sórí ìyàwó yìí. Account number táwọn kidnapper send sí yẹn, I trace it. It was traced to your wife's secret account. Ara àwọn account tí wọ́n ṣí ń gbà tó ń ràn pharmacy tẹ̀yin wà lẹ́wọ̀n. Yes. So màá fẹ́ kẹ́ send owó sí account yẹn. I want to check something. Then, àwọn tech guys wá ń trace phone ìyàwó yín. It could be difficult bó ṣe wà switched off yẹn, but it's not impossible. We only hope she's with her phone.
No, this sounds unreal.
Mr. Deji, what a woman can do, a man can never imagine it.
Kò sóhun tó dùn tí kò ní tán, kò sóhun tó lè tí kò ní dára, kò sóhun tó dùn tí kò ní tán, kò sóhun tó lè tí kò ní dára máa jẹ́ kórúbọ ẹ lójú o, afẹ́ ayé o.
Hello?
Mr. Deji Olúwayé. Sure pé o ti ń feel létí ẹ right now. Ìwọ pè mí sí agbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ láti disgrace me. Well, àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ kò dàbí àdàgbẹ̀yìn. You say, I am ready to disgrace you in front of the entire world. Firstly, ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó ń gbé pò tó ń gbé gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́. Ó wà nílé mi láti jẹta. Èmi ni mò ń wẹ̀ fún. She's been sick and weak. Secondly, 50 million naira to send. Well, what's it baby to a good day? Ayé dẹ̀ ti rò wáyà lọ sí ibi tó yẹ kó lọ.
Where's my daughter?
Má worry. Ọmọ tó rí wọn. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ní necessary clue láti get wọn. So má bother. You see, I am on my way out of this continent. Walking too long. I have this special parting gift for you. Ṣé ti rí àwọn videos tí mo send sí ẹ? Sorry, tí ẹ máa ju ti Balthazar lọ. Ṣé ti rí àwọn ìyàwó níyàwó tó ń bá sùn ní hotel arena? Gbogbo ènìyàn. Ayé ìmọ̀ ọkọ̀ tí ẹ kọ́ bàjẹ́ náà lọ́dọ̀ ìjọba. Gbogbo ẹ̀rọ ń gbéraga olówó ṣe kí nìkan yìí. Mo wà ṣọ́ọ̀pù bá tí ìjọba bá rí gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lẹ́yìn. Mo ní ever bá ìdòwò pọ̀ mọ́.
Oh yes, because right now your videos are all over social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, and so on. Mr. Deji Olowo Tuntun, you are in soup.
Hello.
Go!
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm finished.
Fred. Oh, what is wrong with me? Fred! Fred, I think I need water. Offer me, share me back on. Then, what a quick chemical one would see for me. Shit. Talon pariwo. What are you doing here? Oh Lord. And why are you crying? What kind of dream is this? Why is my baby crying in my dream? Miriam take care of mommy. Because why is she crying in my dream? Oh Lord, my head. Shit. Lara, wake up. Only let's loro moe. She Miriam fiya jomo mini.
Freeze! You're under arrest for the kidnap of your daughter.
And the extortion of money from your husband.
I said it. I'm dreaming. This is a dream.
Move. You have the right to remain silent now. For whatever you say will be held against you in the court of law.
Calm down. Calm down. You are safe now, okay? You're safe. I want you to unleash. Alright. Yeah. Let's go. You're safe, okay? Sorry.
I won't have to repeat it.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbajúmọ̀ nọ́ọ̀sì, kókó iṣẹ́ wa ni láti ṣètọ́jú àwọn èèyàn. Àmọ́ ṣáà ti mọ̀ nípa àwọn èèyàn tá fẹ́ ṣètọ́jú wọn bí. Sometimes these people are badly damaged. Kódà láàrin ara wa ń bíbí, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nọ́ọ̀sì, dókítà àti pharmacist ní nǹkan bá jà. Kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo àrùn ní abẹ́rẹ́ ń wò. Some are psychological or psychiatric in nature. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n dókítà kan tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ nípa àrùn kan lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. À ń pè àrùn náà ní money dysmorphia. Àrùn yìí a máa mú ṣìṣe wá sílé ayé ẹni tó bá ní owó tuntun kan tó ń gùn. It is a dangerous mental health situation leading to a self-destructive syndrome. Lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, mo ti rí ọ̀kan tàbí méjì lára wa tí àrùn yìí ń bá jà. Àrùn yìí ti mú kí ìyá tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ pàdánù ọmọ ẹ̀ látàrí pé ó wà lẹ́wọ̀n. Àrùn yìí ti mú baálé ilé pàdánù gbogbo owó àti orúkọ tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún látàrí pé òun náà wà ní àtìmọ́lé. Àrùn yìí ti sọ ọmọ lágbájá di ọmọ tàmẹ̀dò látàrí pé bàbá àti ìyá ò sí nílé. All this because of money dysmorphia. Kókó ọ̀rọ̀ mi rèé, kí ẹran má bàa bàjẹ́, àwọn yọ̀ sí. Kí irú má bàa bàjẹ́, àwọn yọ̀ sí. Àmọ́ kí la máa wọ́n sí iyọ̀ kó má bàa bàjẹ́. Our nurses àti health workers, àwa ní iyọ̀, a ò gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́. Fún ìdí èyí, we need to take very good care of ourselves, especially our mental health. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọgbọ́n ọlọ́gbọ́n ṣọgbọ́n. K'Ọlọ́run má fi ìparun wa síbi oríire wa.
Oh, nígbà mìíràn, asán ní títí gbọ́lógì. Wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ọba bùrìbùrì tó wà wú iṣẹ́ wọ̀lú. Ìgbàkigbà yóò fi bomi fúnra wọn. We used to be happy without much. We used to be fine with the little that we had. Oh, everybody fell. Nígbà tí wọ́n ti dé. Oh, nígbà láyọ̀.
Mo enjoy it gan. Mo enjoy it.
But why? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Why now?
Mo ti dé ni.
Ibo ló lọ?
Ibi tí mo ti ń bọ̀ yìí kan. Ibi mo ti ń bọ̀ yìí kan.
Bó tá ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni now.
Èmi ti dé. A lè ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi ti dé. Nígbà tí mo lè ti dé mo ti dé nìyẹn.
Ìwọ ti dé ìbọn èmi ò tí wà rárá mi tí kúrò mi tí mo lọ ń tèmi náà.
O máa fún mi ní táìmù díẹ̀ kí n tó fi padà wá bí tí mo ti kúrò ni. O máa fún mi ní táìmù díẹ̀ ni. Àwọn lọ́wọ́ yìí mo enjoy ẹ̀ mo ti dé gan. Mo enjoy má máa po ṣe ìyàwó lé ní ẹ má máa po ṣe ó máa sú ẹ màá tún aṣọ ọkàn sí tí n bá jí.
Mo ti gbọ́ I'm just gonna clean up.
Tún máa gbé ẹ débẹ̀ eléyìí kan lè jẹ ìṣẹ́jú kan tó bá wà padà Dubai má gbé ẹ débẹ̀ Ọlọ́run. Bí mo gbé nítorí yéèsì tó wà ní yàrá ẹ ni èmi gan mọ̀ pé mi ò lò tó ṣẹ́jú kan èmi gan mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ara mi ti ṣe kíííí mo kàn dé lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà ni mi ò lò tó 30 seconds èmi fúnra mi mọ̀.
Àtòjọ́sí arájẹ̀bí ti jẹ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀.
Kidney what? Again? Hey, Ọlọ́run o. Kidney ẹyọ kan péré la need kò kí n ṣe méjì.
Madam, ọ̀kan lẹ́ni.
Ẹyọ kan mo ní.
Èmi tẹ̀ ń wò tèmi kan ò pé méjì. Ẹyọ kan tí mo ní àtúntì là méjì.
Kí ló dé tí ẹ fẹ́ bo ẹni tó bò yín láṣìírí
tẹ́ fẹ́ daṣọ àṣírí ìbò.
Irú ẹ̀dá wo ló ń dà yín? Èèyàn rí ni. Èèyàn bí ni. Ìwọ gẹ́ ẹni bí ni.
Láyé àti láyé mi ò lè fọwọ́ sí. Nígbà tí èèyàn bá ṣoore fún èèyàn tí èèyàn bá tún lóṣù ó tì ní.
Torí ìrègùn la ṣe ṣoore. I don't mind to do whatever to save my child.
But Sue is the only child of his parents.
Ṣé wọ́n ti gbà?
Rárá màá wọn ò gbà o.
Bó bá jẹ́ pé tèmi ṣe é yọ ni, máa yọ fún wọn. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ orí àwọn lásán.
Ojú ẹkùn. Ẹni kan náà wọ̀ ọ́ lọ́la.
Mo sásàálà fún ẹ̀mí mi.
Àwọn olùfẹ́ pa yín.
Màdámù mi.
Nǹkan tó máa ṣe ó má lè bọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́.
Ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o. Bàbá àá.
Nígbà tó ti dé, owó ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, owó ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, yẹ́yẹ́yẹ́, owó ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Àsáré àwọ̀wọ̀ àwọ̀lá, níbo la fi ìfọkànbalẹ̀ sí? Níbo la fi ìbàlẹ̀ àyà sí? Ìlera pípé nǹkan, ayọ̀ ojú pẹ̀lú tọkàn kan. Ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Tí èèyàn bá borí, tó ẹ̀wù iṣẹ́ wọlé. Ìgbàkígbà ni ó fi ń bọ̀ mí fún ọmọ. Níbo ni fẹ́ wá gbà lọ? Nígbà tó ti dé. Níbo ni fẹ́ gbà lọ? Nígbà tó ti dé. Ọwọ́ ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Ọwọ́ ní gbọ̀ngbọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Oh